ẹ káàsán ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ní gbogbo ibi tẹ́ bá wà ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ káàsán ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ QSM TV a wà ní National Stadium Moshood Abiola ní ìlú Abuja tó jẹ́ capital city Nigeria. A rí àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ìjọba níbi tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe eré ìdárayá tó yẹ pé ṣe mọ̀ pé àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ìjọba máa ń bí sìn gbogbo gbà, so ìjọba fún wọn lórí ọ̀fẹ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan láàrin oṣù mẹ́ta, gbogbo àwọn permanent secretary directors gbogbo wọn ló wà ń bẹ̀. Àtúwá rí i pé wọ́n tún fún wọn lówó nígbà tó ń lọlé. Ẹ rí i pé èèyàn mi iṣẹ́ ìjọba dáa gan o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ ẹ bá mi ká lọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ lọ wò.
Our monthly walking jogging here in Federal Civil Service. Yeah, it's been amazing also around there. We have a lot of ministry participating. It is always like that every quarter. Yes. Yes, we give kudos to the head of service of this nation. So many activities have been going on. We've done a lot of exercises. Exercise our body, keeping fit is just a mandate for this present government.
Yes, my people. QSM TV. We are live at Moshood Abiola International Stadium, Abuja, Nigeria, with civil servants from all the ministries in Nigeria. We are here every month, now. We have to come out and exercise our body. That is why we are here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's the winner. That is my place. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.
That's Thank you. The next presentation goes, which is best seated. And you know what that means? From your head to your toes. To present this to the winners is Permanent Secretary, Labor and Productivity. And the promise, sorry. Permanent Secretary, Labor and Employment. Waiting. Top position! Mosquito is going to Federal Ministry of Housing, Labor and Development.
We are done for the activities. You can see Team Interior won the third position in best well behaved. See their cups in their hand, their certificate is given to them. They performed very well. We have a lot of activities and it's rounding up. Everybody is going to the car park. Yes, the buses are donated, as supported by the transportation is well funded by federal government. So every access, in case you are here or you are there, you are still contemplating that you don't have a transport to join up for the next edition, please just join any staff bus of any ministry straight to the stadium as early as 6:30. So we are here, FRS are represented, Team Justice is here, NCC is here, we have Team Science and Tech, we have Team Aviation, they are also represented. Yes, Team Aviation. We have Team Federal Ministry of Bureau of Statistics. I don't get the name very well. So we have Team Finance too. They are here. The finance team are here. In fact, it's also an amazing moment here in stadium on this day. Yes, we enjoyed ourselves and it has been amazing.